guys, what's up? It's Kendall Shay, and I'm back here with another YouTube video, you guys. And welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you're returning, thanks for returning to my channel. So, if you guys read by the title and the beautiful thumbnail, you guys, we'll be going to see some animals today. So, if this video meets your needs and you love animals like I do, let's go ahead and get into this video. Y'all, so we made it through the drive-through zoo, y'all. And oh my god, the road is bumpy, so I might sound a little crazy, but
what you see?
It's stuff in the room.
There's a little porcupine.
And
Where's that pig?
I have
You gonna feed her?
the food here too, so they can walk up and eat the food. So
Oh my god.
maybe I should have got on the other side. All right, everyone, we are back home. I really enjoyed myself. Like, it just gave me like a Lion King like effects. I don't know why it just reminded me of like Lion King. I love animals, as I stated earlier. Like, this gives me like a little like warmth. I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys would like to see more videos like this, just comment down below and subscribe to my channel and become a friend with me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.